online shoppers, my new deck box just arrived, but I have to assemble it. So why don't you come watch and see how easy it's going to be to get this thing into action. Awesome, you get a lock with this one. Here is the owner's manual. The manual has full color illustrations. We're gonna start with the base right here, which is the bottom, and we're gonna get 2 of the C sides. Now what's kind of cool is they don't label them with stickers, they actually put it right in the side. We have C laying flat on the floor, and this little edge right here from D is gonna fit right into the side from C, and when we push on it, we hear a click and we know that it has connected. We're gonna go ahead and do the same thing with the other side with another C. There's another C right there. All we have to do is just line it up and click it into place. There we go. 2 sides assembled already. Next, we're going to apply the B to the back of the deck box and the sides. We're going to line it up so that these little notches here fit into this hole right there, and so that the sides connect as well. There we go. One more set to connect here. There we go. Look at that. This one here is the front plate, and it has an actual locking mechanism, and that's why they gave you the lock for it. Now what's cool about these locks is you can actually set your own combination. These are going to line up here as well, nice and easy. And that is 3/4 assembled. Now all that remains is we have to put the top on. This box doesn't actually require any hardware. All it is pieces snapping together, which means if you're not using it, you can actually collapse it down, store it away, and not worry that you've lost the hardware. You need to put it back together again. As far as getting the top to connect to the back, there are some little pegs here and some holes right here that the pegs are going to fit into, and this will become your hinge for the top of the deck box. So we're just going to position them in. And look at that, we are installed. Now this here is the security lock that they give you, and there are instructions inside for how to set the lock to numbers that you will remember. I've just popped the cable open, and I'll show you how easy it is to lock up this little deck box. All you have to do is feed the cable through like this. And you are sound, safe, and secure. And nobody can get into your deck box. Let's do a quick overview of the features of this really cool East Oak 31-gallon resin deck box. Dimension-wise, this one is 17 by 22 by 20, and it gives you 31 gallons of storage capacity. In addition to it being storage, it also has 170-pound load capacity, which means this just became extra seating on my deck. This material is waterproof and fade resistant because it's designed to be outside. You saw how quick it was for me to put this together. It was assembled in under 5 minutes. And last but not least, they send along this handy little lock that you can set with your own meaningful combination. And let's do a quick look under the lid. Nice, easy hinge, smooth movement. There's the interior of your deck box. This is an awesome little deck box. If you are looking to increase the storage capacity on your deck, to have a place to lock away your kids' toys, pool accessories, maybe even sand and salt for the winter time, this little deck box is a charmer, and it will work for so many different purposes. I think this is going to be a family favorite at my house.